I'm going to pick up this video where I left off last time and show you real quick again how to change the distance to the velocity. And there you can see your velocity graph. The next thing that's important for us to do is to zoom the graph in. To zoom the graph in, you want to select this little tool right here. So I'm going to click on that, and then you can see nothing really happens. But it allows you then to click and start. You can see that that little line showed up kind of right here on the left-hand side by the axis. And then you click again about where you want it to be to end it. And there you can see there's another line that showed up. Now, I don't like where that is, so I'm going to just drag it over. And you can keep moving over. And there I've picked a point that's the highest. So you can click to start it, and it's clicking to stop. Now, the nice thing about this feature is that you don't have to worry about losing any data because then it won't go away. Now, once you've selected the velocity graph's region that you like, and I've got a region of pretty consistent velocity here, I'm going to use a magnifying glass to zoom in. And there we go. So you can see what I've done. I've cut out my velocity just to the point where it's constant velocity that's increasing. Next thing to do, we need to figure out what that slope is of this line. That is what the average velocity is. So I'm going to click Analyze down here at the bottom. And we want to do a curve fit. Now this is much smoother than it is on the calculator because it's just all right there. We do a curve fit. We want to fit our equation, and we choose the equation, and we want it to be a linear equation. And voila, you can see your equation with the coefficients. The coefficient you will want is your coefficient A. That's the slope of the line. So in this case it'd be 0.0522. You can click Interpolate on Fit. Click OK, and there's your line. It shows you that it's pretty close. There's a few spikes above and below, but your line is pretty close. You can then hit OK, and it takes you back a step, and OK again, and now you're back to the main menu, where you can then start and record another trial doing the exact same steps. When you've completed your graph recording, getting the information you need, just quit, and power it down. There you go. That's how you use the Lab Pro with a Palm Pilot.